Venus, the brilliant morning star, continues to captivate our imagination. To the naked eye, Venus appears as a white point of light brighter than any other planet and the third brightest object in Earth's sky after the Sun and the Moon. The planet Venus is named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty. Venus is very close to Earth in size and mass. Both planets have a similar diameter, and their masses are almost alike, making them nearly identical in terms of physical characteristics. Imagine a planet almost as big as our own, covered in swirling clouds. These clouds are thick and made of sulfuric acid, creating a dense atmosphere that hides the surface from view. This is Venus, the second planet from the Sun, and our closest planetary neighbor. Its proximity to Earth makes it an object of great interest for scientists and astronomers. From Earth, Venus shines brightly in the sky. It is one of the brightest objects we can see, often outshining all other planets and stars. Sometimes we see it in the morning, sometimes in the evening. Its position in the sky changes, making it a fascinating object to observe. This is why it's called both the morning star and the evening star. Depending on the time of year, Venus can be seen just before sunrise or just after sunset. All planets in our solar system circle the Sun in a counterclockwise path when viewed from above Earth's North Pole. Most planets spin on their axes in the same counterclockwise direction. However, Venus is an exception, rotating clockwise once every 243 Earth days. This is the slowest rotation of any planet. Venus is a planet of extremes, a world of intense heat and crushing pressure. The surface temperature can reach up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, and the atmospheric pressure is 92 times that of Earth. It takes 224.7 Earth days for Venus to complete an orbit around the Sun. Venus is one of two planets in the solar system, the other being Mercury, that have no moons. More than 85,000 volcanoes on Venus were identified. Let's imagine, for a moment, what it would be like to stand on the surface of Venus. The sky would be a hazy yellow and the ground beneath your feet would be rocky and barren. The air would be thick and oppressive, making it hard to see very far. Well, first of all, we wouldn't be able to breathe. The atmosphere is composed of gases that are toxic to humans. The atmosphere of Venus is incredibly dense and toxic. It's so thick that it would crush any human-made spacecraft that tried to land. It's made mostly of carbon dioxide, a gas that traps heat. This greenhouse effect is much stronger than anything we experience on Earth. Above the carbon dioxide, thick clouds of sulfuric acid swirl around the planet. These clouds are highly corrosive and would be deadly to any living organism. These clouds are so reflective that they send most of the sunlight back into space. This reflective quality gives Venus its bright appearance in our night sky. This makes Venus the hottest planet in our solar system, even hotter than Mercury, which is closer to the Sun. The surface temperature can reach up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit. The pressure of the atmosphere at the surface is intense. It's about 92 times the pressure we experience at sea level on Earth. It would feel like being 900 meters beneath the ocean's surface. This immense pressure would crush any human or machine not specifically designed to withstand it. These extreme conditions make Venus a very challenging place to explore. Despite these challenges, scientists are eager to learn more about this mysterious planet, as it may hold clues to understanding the atmospheres of other planets, including our own. Why is Venus so incredibly hot? The answer lies in a phenomenon called the greenhouse effect. The thick atmosphere of carbon dioxide acts like a blanket, trapping heat from the Sun. This heat has nowhere to escape, causing the planet's temperature to soar. On Earth, we also experience the greenhouse effect, but on a much smaller scale. Our atmosphere has a balance of gases that helps to regulate our planet's temperature. However, on Venus, the greenhouse effect has run wild, creating a scorching inferno. Studying Venus helps us understand the greenhouse effect better. It serves as a stark warning of what can happen when a planet's atmosphere traps too much heat. The surface of Venus is a truly alien landscape. Volcanic activity has shaped much of the planet, creating vast plains, towering mountains, and enormous volcanoes. Some scientists believe that Venus is still volcanically active today. Imagine rivers of molten lava flowing across the surface and volcanoes spewing ash and gas into the thick atmosphere. The pressure from the atmosphere is so intense that it would crush most spacecraft. The heat would melt lead. Despite the harsh conditions, scientists are eager to learn more about the surface of Venus. It holds clues to the planet's past and could help us understand how terrestrial planets evolve over time. Over the years, many spacecraft have been sent to Venus to study its mysteries. These missions have provided valuable information about the planet's atmosphere, surface and magnetic field. One of the earliest missions was Mariner 2, which flew past Venus in 1962. It was the first spacecraft to successfully conduct a planetary flyby. Mariner 2 confirmed the extreme temperatures on Venus and the presence of its thick atmosphere. Since then, many other missions have followed, each one revealing more about this enigmatic world. The Soviet Venera program successfully landed several probes on the surface, capturing the first images from the surface of another planet. One of the most successful missions to Venus was NASA's Magellan spacecraft, which orbited the planet from 1990 to 1994. Magellan used radar to peer through the thick clouds and create detailed maps of the Venusian surface. The images sent back by Magellan were astonishing. They revealed a world shaped by volcanic activity with vast plains, towering mountains, and evidence of ancient lava flows. Magellan's radar also detected evidence of impact craters, suggesting that Venus has experienced asteroid impacts throughout its history. The data collected by Magellan continues to be studied by scientists today, providing valuable insights into the geological history of Venus. Why did Venus, a planet so similar in size and mass to Earth, become so incredibly hostile? Scientists believe that understanding Venus's fate could help us protect our own planet. One theory is that Venus may have once had oceans like Earth. However, due to its proximity to the Sun, the water evaporated into the atmosphere. This water vapor, a powerful greenhouse gas, further intensified the greenhouse effect, leading to a runaway warming scenario. Studying Venus helps us understand the delicate balance of factors that make a planet habitable. It serves as a reminder that even small changes in a planet's atmosphere can have dramatic consequences. Despite the extreme conditions on Venus, some scientists believe that life could exist in its atmosphere. High above the scorching surface, in the cooler layers of the atmosphere, conditions may be more hospitable. There is evidence of strange chemical compounds in Venus's atmosphere that could be signs of life. These compounds are difficult to explain through geological processes alone, leading some scientists to speculate about the possibility of microbial life in the clouds. While the existence of life on Venus remains highly speculative, it's an intriguing possibility that warrants further investigation. The exploration of Venus is far from over. Despite the harsh conditions, scientists are determined to uncover the secrets hidden beneath its thick clouds. New missions are being meticulously planned to study the planet in even greater detail. These missions aim to answer fundamental questions about Venus's past, present and future. These missions will use advanced instruments to probe the atmosphere, map the surface with higher resolution, and search for signs of past or present life. The technology being developed is cutting edge, designed to withstand the extreme conditions of Venus. One such mission is Da Vinci Plus, a NASA mission that will plunge through the Venusian atmosphere, collecting data on its composition and structure. This mission will provide unprecedented insights into the chemical makeup of the atmosphere and its dynamic processes. Another mission, Veritas, will use radar to create three-dimensional maps of the surface, revealing its geological history in unprecedented detail. By studying the topography and tectonic activity, scientists hope to understand the planet's evolution and its similarities and differences with Earth. These future missions promise to unlock even more secrets about our enigmatic twin and deepen our understanding of the evolution of terrestrial planets. As we continue to explore Venus, we not only learn about this mysterious world, but also gain insights into the processes that shape all rocky planets, including our own Earth.